Die mussten die bestimmt nicht abgeholt. Richtig fett geknallt.
Ober musste weg hier. War Conny.
Gönn dir.
Hey, das ist schön. Oh. $99. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we have a little bit of vlog style because I have to drive to my dad in my new shop, and then we have to manage some things. What do Alex act now? Alex is here, and he is all these fresh honed EJ 25/7 close stack, our special close stack with optimized cooling channels. Yeah, nice. Good. Dark sounds. It's so hot today. Pina have currently an damaged her, I don't know, nails. And like this here, nails. You need a guard here, something like this. Oh, Lutti, was ist los? Yeah. Okay, yeah. Where's the Outback? Here is. Oh shit. Anne was driving the last time with this car. I want to say thank you for this nice response of one of the last videos. Thank you very much. I know that the most of you want to see only the technical side of my work and some tips and tricks about Subaru engines or something like this. But currently we move and we have not so much time to build the engines. But in the future I hope we have it more time, and then you get the full input. One of the next projects are the FA20 engine. We make a really cool video, a teardown with all details. Then we do an H6, a 3-liter engine that will be pretty cool too, and we make a H6 race car engine. Yeah. Not turbo, it is an A engine, and but there we for this engine we will need our complete know-how, and that will be very interesting, and I think you will like it. Yeah, and in the next and in one of the next videos are gearbox rebuild from an STI 6-speed, no problem. I have done this a few times and it's easy, but you have to know some facts about it. Yeah, okay. Now I have to take here, I don't know how it calls, these gas bottles there. We need new ones for the grill. And then we drive to my dad. Yeah, here you see his full house. This Subaru shop from my dad works perfectly. We have a lot of work, and when my work in my shop comes here, full explosion. Okay, let's take a look. Yeah, here SDI friend Kevin have a crash at the Nordschleife. There was a lot of oil on the streets and he crashed. You see it here. The axle is damaged. Here's damage. We have, but it is always no problem. But yeah, look here, fat damage. And the baddest thing is that we have here at the front. It is, I don't know here in English. Here it is the carrosserie is krumm. Keine Ahnung. Here this SDI needs a new engine. We have to stand Subi-Performance. Hey! Was machst du hier? Yeah, they chill a little bit. Just I said you have too much work, but now you see. That is why I was in this one shop and take this gas bottle here, because yesterday I stole them. Oh. Woo. Please. Oh. Here we are. We are just to here this fine tuning of the podest. You see here the edge to the wall have to be perfect, and then we have here a little bit place for a small warehouse for only for short block parts. Here come all pistons, rods, crankshafts, cases, everything that we need only for a short block come here at the top, because that we need the most of the time. And oh, look at this beauty, a new one. Later come this guy who make here the new electric, because we get complete full new electric. Here is old box at the old shop here. Here's the old box, and we get a complete new one. That's too small and too old. Here are the old cables, and here you see the new, the new, I don't know how to call it in English, for the new cables. And you see it goes here through the complete shop. Then the next step is new lights, because it is much too dark here when it's dark outside. Yeah, still a lot of work, but I think only maybe 1 month and we are ready. Yeah, these guys are here pretty busy too. You see it? Have you ever seen this crazy dog? This is Anton. Anton is the slave from Pina and Lutti. Okay, yes, we are now back in the old shop. Alex is here still working. Oh, duck sound. Hi, Lutti. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video without technical content, but in the next days it will be better when we are ready with the new shop and can finally move. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. Ciao.